Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Robert Borges, and today we are aboard a gorgeous 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX OB. This particular one is powered by the very popular latest cutting technology from Mercury, twin 600 horsepower V12s. This boat is absolutely spectacular. The gray and white combination plays into the whole boat color scheme. It just goes perfect. Everything works. Everything looks, matching. The countertops are gorgeous. You have a great summer kitchen set up here with twin refrigerators, a sink. The boat that made the swim platform famous for Sea Ray is this 400 SLX. So you have a massive drop-down swim platform here, a ton of seating. You can easily fit 20 of your best friends. This L-shaped seating has a massive, teak table to entertain. The hard top offers a ton of shade. You also have the extended sure shade option, which gives you shading all the way back to the end of the aft seating. You have this seat here, which does a full 360. So you can either be forward facing with the helm captain's chair. And talking about the helm, you have twin Simrad 12-inch GoPros. You have the upgraded Fusion stereo with subwoofer and multiple speakers all throughout. The joystick control, and this boat is equipped with Seakeeper. So a ton of options, pretty much fully loaded when it comes to the helm. Forward, we have the bow seating, which again gives you a ton of space to entertain. Very wide open layout, all one single level, forward and backwards. The whole boat is one single level. Just a great entertaining platform. You have another table that can be set up here, or you can use this as a sun pad for your guest. This particular boat has the full isinglass option, which gives you protection from the weather, whether you're running or you're sitting. Maybe you get caught in a rainstorm and you have this full isinglass protection, which is a great option to have. Speaking about getting away from the elements, down below here, Sea Ray's done an excellent job using all the space available in this 400 SLX with a forward V-berth area that can be converted into a table or a sleeping arrangement for 2 people. Aft, you have this very large, almost a king-size bed, if you will, area that you can use, and a full shower head configuration here. If you notice, everything on this boat is just gorgeous. I mean, they did a wonderful job with the design elements on this boat. And it really is the flagship of Sea Ray's offering right now. So come see this boat at MarineMax Miami. My name is Robert Borges. You can contact me directly at 305-586-7400. Thanks and have a great day.